Hello! In today's 5-Minute Friday, I want to show you how to save and reuse an on-the-fly mission. On-the-fly missions are a great way to set up something in the field. This is especially useful when online maps are not accurate or up to date, or where you need to be very precise with the placement of the drone, such as flying close to buildings. I use this most often for things like time lapses, where I want to set up a shot and come back again and again to take the same shots over a period of time. I'm not going to go into detail on how to set up the on-the-fly missions here, since tutorials already exist for that. But as you can see, I'm setting up a simple path mission around this ball field that goes to different locations and takes videos. I'll then run that mission to make sure it behaves the way I expect. It's important to note the name of the mission type, in this case path, as that will be the name to look for later on. If all you want to do is rerun that mission without any changes, you can do that by clicking on the history icon in the bottom right hand corner of the app and selecting continue when it asks if you want to run the mission again. However, it's also possible to save the mission so that you can edit it later. And to do that, we need to go to the Dronelink web page. Once you are logged in and you have selected your account, you will see a little plane icon at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can review previously executed missions, and on-the-fly missions are included in that list. Click on the plane icon and your previously run missions will show up in a list. In this case, things are easy as my on-the-fly mission shows at the top. However, if you had run the mission some time ago, you could search for the name, like path, or add a date range to narrow the search. I'm going to click on the mission called path, and you can see that the mission I ran earlier in the day now appears. And if we expand the components, you can see that everything is included. We're still viewing history, so this isn't something we could run in the future, but we can use the Save As button at the bottom right to put this into a repository. By default, it will save it with the name of the mission type, in this case path, but we can click on the edit button to change that. Once that is done, this will show up in your repository in exactly the same way as other missions, and you can edit and adjust it from there. Well, that's it for another 5-Minute Friday. I hope you found this useful. Please feel free to leave comments or any questions, and otherwise we'll see you another time. Bye bye.